So, you wanted to expand your friend list on Snapchat, where they live same as yours. Well, I will walk you through on how to do it, and then add them in your friend list. Now, first is open the Snapchat app, and at the top left corner, click the profile icon, and scroll down and navigate for Snap Map, and click enter. Make sure you allow the location sharing. Click the profile icon and allow. So when you enable the ghost mode, your friends can see your location. So let's just leave them. Now you can see the people around your location. Tap the profile, view their stories, and click their username. By this, you can add them now. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.